Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Class 9, Subject Physics, Chapter Unit number 6, Work and Energy. Today's our topic is work. Work. First of all, generally work refers to performing some task or a job. In science, work has a precise meaning. For example, a man carrying a load is doing work, but he is not doing work if he is not moving while the load on his head. Scientifically, work is done when an effort or a force move an object. When work is done, energy is used. So by this we can find the definition of the work, and the definition is there. Here is the definition. Work is done when a force acting on a body displaces it in the direction of a force. So question arises, how much work is done? Naturally, the greater is the force acting on a body and longer is the distance moved by it, larger would be the work done. Mathematically, work is the product of force and displacement in the direction of the force. Thus the work done is, so here is the formula. W is denoted for work, force multiplied by displacement, and displacement is shows by S. Force multiplied by displacement, W is equal to F into S. So here is the diagram. S is denoted by the displacement, and that is the object by force is applying on it, and we will take it to another side in the direction of a force. This is the example. So for the explanation we will discuss again. Sometimes force and displacement do not have the same direction as shown in the figure. Here the force F is making an angle theta with the displacement. Here resolving F into the perpendicular components Fx and Fy, so it can be written in the form like this: perpendicular component Fx is equal to F cos theta, Fy is equal to F sine theta. These are the two perpendicular components of the force. When a force and displacement are not parallel, then only the x component Fx parallel to the displacement causes the body to move the surface, and not y component Fy. Here we can see that the force and the Fx, this component, both are parallel. That's mean the displacement will be done in the form of this, and the direction of force also in the Fx. So the work is done in the this form. You can say that the work will be in Fx direction if F along the Fx component. The Fy component is not parallel to the force. These are the perpendicular, so there is no displacement over there, so work can be done. Now work is done Fx s, so Fx is equal to F cos theta multiplied by S multiplied by S, so it can be written as, then work done is equal to Fs into cos theta. This is our work done. uh, Definition again: work is done when a force acting on a body displaces in its direction. So work is a scalar quantity. Work is a scalar quantity. It depends on the force acting on a body, displacement of the body and the angle between them. The unit of joule as a unit of the work is a joule, and joule definition is that the amount of a work is 1 joule when a force of 1 newton displaces a body through a 1 meter in the direction of a force. So here is the definition here, and 1 joule is equal to 1 newton multiplied by 1 meter. 1 kilo joule is a small unit, and the big unit of joule 1 kilojoule, that is equal to 1000 joule. 1